Hey everyone, today I'm going to answer a popular question. Can you bookmark post on Bluesky? Stick around till the end to find out how to save and easily access your favorite post. So let's get started. So, if you open the Bluesky app and come across a post which you would like to save, you might expect to see an option for bookmarks. To check, simply tap on the post and then click on three dots at the bottom of the post. When you tap the three dots, you will see a list of options. You might find features like translate or report, but one thing that's missing is the bookmark option. This might be a bit confusing because bookmarking is pretty useful feature on other social media platforms. But as of now, Bluesky has not added this functionality. Unfortunately, it seems like the bookmarking feature just is not available on Bluesky yet. It is unclear why this feature is missing, but we can only assume that it is something developers are working on. And it also seems like that Blue Sky is still in the process of rolling out features, and bookmarking is one of the ones that has not made its way into the app yet. Hopefully, they will add this feature in future updates. For now, if you want to save a post, you will have to rely on external methods like taking a screenshot. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.